Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna start getting ready now. We actually are going to start wedding shopping for my sister-in-law. I don't know if I mentioned it here, but my brother actually got engaged last year in October. They have been together for a very long time, I think like 6 or 7 years. However, they started dating very young. So obviously now that they've established a little life together, they have decided to get married. So we have started the wedding dress shopping adventures. And I was asked to be part of the bridal party, which I'm very honored to be. So I will be there in order to experience this whole kind of adventure with her. It's my first time because I don't have a lot of family here in the States. The majority of my family still lives in Cuba, where I am originally from. So I've never kind of had like those types of like wedding events and things like that, let alone be part of like a bridal party. My friends circle is very, very tight knit. So I'm very excited to be able to kind of like experience that and see what the whole kind of like fun is about. My wedding was also extremely tiny. I didn't have, you know, a bridal party or anything like that because we had to pick either a big wedding or a nice honeymoon. And Rudy and I just prioritize traveling whenever we can. So we went ahead and chose the honeymoon. With that being said, I wanted to get ready with you, and this vlog is kind of gonna be a little bit all over the place. I also wanted to share a little bit of like a high-low haul with you guys. There's a few things that I've ordered that are gonna be coming in little by little, and I just wanted to kind of share them with you guys. First off, before I do my makeup, I did want to share with you guys how my skin is looking after the chemical peel. I had mentioned that, you know, it would go through a little bit of the process of the whole chemical peel, which honestly was not too bad this time around. I was pleasantly surprised, but the glow, guys, the glow. I have nothing on my skin right now, just my skincare. I haven't even put sunscreen yet. I am breaking out a little bit. I also cheated last night. We had a cheap meal. We went to have burgers, which I am a huge burger fan, and this place hit the spot. So we went with my brother and my sister-in-law, and we just kind of hung out there, and we had burgers first, and then we grabbed donuts to bring back to the house so I could make coffee and we can watch the UFC fight, which the boys love, and we just hang out with them and talk shit. So yeah, back to the skin. I'm honestly very happy with just the glow that the chemical peel gives my skin afterwards. And yes, I still have obviously my little acne scars, but as I previously mentioned, those are still gonna take a little bit to, you know, get rid of. Honestly, I don't know if they're ever going to go away forever because I still break out due to hormonal acne from time to time. So now that we got that little skincare update out of the way, let me share with you the first piece that I want to show in regards to the kind of like high-low sort of haul. And it is these Kohan flats. Guys, aren't they stunning? First, I am super into like the pointed toe kind of look now, whether it is with pumps or whether it is with flats. I just feel like it elongates my leg so much. I don't need to explain the color selection because you guys are probably tired of hearing me talk about burgundy, but I have so many outfits, so many bags that go so well with this option. So as soon as I saw them on the Kohan website, I was like, oh my God, I need to get them. I actually wore it yesterday when we went to grab the burgers with my little RSVP bag, and isn't this the perfect little pairing? I loved it. And I wear the bag crossbody to give it more of like a casual vibe. I kind of really love the look, how it turned out. So update, because as I said, I did wear them yesterday to kind of start breaking them in. And like on the foot, heel wise, very comfortable. I didn't feel any pain. Where they did bother a little bit, and that is because I personally have wider feet, like towards the front of my feet, were like on this area. So this part here started kind of rubbing on my feet at the end of the night. I'm assuming it just has to do with the fact that the leather kind of has to start stretching out a little bit. But the foot of the bed is very comfortable. It actually has cushion here at the heel, and I just think they're so cute. I did go with my true to size, so I went with a 7.5, which is what I usually pick for closed toe sort of shoes. So they fit perfectly. All right, so I don't want to start rushing and then doing like a crazy outfit of the day sort of situation with you guys. So I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna put on my outfit, share it with you guys, and then we'll go from there. Okay, makeup is ready. I still have to do my hair, but just wanted to show you guys. I am using the Dior foundation and concealer. I am loving it. I loved how the makeup turned out. Very, very simple. And then for the lip combo, I went ahead and just lined my lips with the Hermes Rouge Ash lip pencil. And then I added over top a Rare Beauty lip oil that I have, which is really cute. So we're starting to get ready. Obviously the shorts will be changed, but I went with this top. Guys, the detail on this blouse is incredible. I also thought it was very appropriate for the occasion. I actually ended up wearing this same top for their engagement party. However, what I did that time around was that I actually just buttoned up all the way to the top, and then I did a sleek back pony. But today I'm gonna wear it a little bit more casual. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna use this fashion tape to go ahead and make sure that it stays put like so. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I like kind of this style a little bit better since I am going to dress it down a little bit. Bottoms are going to be my mom jeans from H&M. Guys, I've been loving these. They're so high-waisted, they're so fitted to the body, and they are a really good length. For me, they hit perfectly right at my ankle, so they've been a go-to. I got them in 3 shades. I got them in like a dark wash, this one, and then also black, just because they're also so inexpensive. I think these are under 25 bucks. Okay, and then what I am going to do is I am going to tuck in the blouse. And under the blouse, just in case you're wondering, I'm just using a nude bra, but it's not just a regular bra, it's kind of like a cami. So I felt like that was a little bit more appropriate. At least it makes me feel a little bit more comfortable than just having a regular nude bra. Oh my gosh, I think I need this blouse in other colors. It does come in other shades and it's kind of seasonal. So if they do release like seasonal colors, they'll also incorporate it in this blouse, but she is beautiful. All right, and then we are going for a taupe today. And then really quick, obviously, since the blouse is the statement of the whole outfit, I wanted to keep my jewelry very simple. So I'm just wearing my little Ideal earrings, and then I mix matched them with the options that they have. And then I went with my simple rose gold ring from Hermes. And then I just put my wedding band on this hand. So here's what we have going on so far. Let me go ahead and style this hair so I can start looking like a put together individual. All right, shoes. Of course, we're going with my Oasis in the color Taupe. Guys, it's still so warm here in Miami, even though we are in January. So sandals are, that was my husband sneezing. Bless you! So sandals are a go-to, honestly, year-round. And then, last but not least, to finish off the look, we opted to go for the Picotin. I actually was debating between the Picotin or the Oleata mini anchor, just because this color is honestly identical to a taupe. It's honestly, I would say, the same shade, and I'm really loving like this whole kind of vanity case sort of look lately. I also styled her with this twilly, which I think looks so cute, especially with this outfit. What do you guys think? I don't know. Now I'm kind of doubting myself. Babe! Okay, Mr. Leva chose the Picotin. And again, I hadn't worn her in a little bit, so it makes sense. Here is the final look. I love how it turned out. Again, I feel like it's very casual, but I'm also wearing this beautiful top, and I do feel like it's very appropriate for the occasion. Hi everyone, welcome back. It is about like 3 days after. Oh my gosh, that wedding dress shopping event was so eventful, to say the least. As I said, I had never experienced anything like that. So there was so many emotions. There are so many different beautiful styles of wedding dresses. It was incredible. I mean, I honestly said personally yes to about 10 of the dresses that I saw there. So I can only imagine everything that was going on in my sister-in-law's head. So now that we're back here, let's go ahead and finish with the haul portion of this video. I already received all of the pieces that I was waiting for, and we're gonna start with the good one. And it is from none other than Louis Vuitton. No, it's nothing from the Murakami collection. I'm still waiting on that. But I saw this as I walked into a boutique a couple of weeks back, and I wanted to kind of share just quickly the story. I kind of walked in, nobody greeted us, and then I was just kind of wandering around, and people were just like there on their phone. I was like, oh my god, the service in this boutique is horrible. So as we were like walking out, I see this piece and I'm like, ooh, I kind of like that. So I went over, I grabbed it, I kind of started playing around with it. Again, nobody bothered to say hi, let me know if you need help. I mean, it's just a small greeting that makes all the difference in my opinion. I come from the service industry, so like I know what difference that can make to a client or a customer. Nothing. So I was like, well, nobody's getting a sale out of me, that's for sure. So I put the item back and then I walked out. I actually texted the SA that's helping me with the Murakami pieces, and I sent her the information and she's like, yep, do you want to come pick it up at the store? Do you want me to ship it to you? I'm like, no, if you can ship it to me, that would be great. She did just that and then I received it. So it does come in this cute little box, and I already did a little kind of unboxing for Instagram because I feel like you guys always get the good stuff and Instagram gets like the shitty end of the stick. So this time around we did it a little bit different, and then it's just a little pool. I think you guys can see what it is. It's gonna come, and no surprise the color that I went for, but it is one of their bandeaus. I actually think that this is one of their larger size bandeaus. Again, all destroyed already because I unboxed it for a little reel. I have, oh my god. I think I finally found the perfect burgundy kind of accessory to add to my burgundy looks and just make sure that it is the final touch. But there's more. It is actually reversible, and the other side, guys, so good. The colors on this bandeau honestly are absolutely stunning. So you do have the beautiful burgundy shade, which is that deep violet undertone shade that I really like. I love the blue details also from the graphic on this one because I feel like it will pair really nicely with jean outfits. And then the other side. You guys know how I feel about this color just in general. I love a good, deep, rich sort of caramel tone. And again, you also have those really nice little blue kind of little accent pieces with the fleur-de-lis and the LV monogram. And I feel like that would pair so beautifully with jeans. So this size is actually really nice. Like the possibilities, and this is what I was telling you, that I was just started playing around like in the boutique, and I was kind of styling it with the mirror that they had there, and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be fantastic. It's gonna look so good, and I'm gonna be able to incorporate it with like so many different looks. I'm so excited. I'll probably do like a little short or a reel kind of sharing with you guys a few ways to style it. But yeah, I love it. And of course, this burgundy color is so good. I'm really glad that they have like a larger kind of size because, I mean, just a little kind of way. And I always cut these. I know that some people keep them on, but I cannot stand having that just hanging there. So I always end up cutting them, but just kind of want to do like a little quick styling. How cute, how cute. So that was my little LV kind of pickup. Let's get into some Abercrombie pants. Now it is the same pants, it's just in different sizes because I am kind of in between sizes at the moment. So I just went ahead and got them in 2 sizes to see which fit better. So they are the A and F, so Abercrombie and Fitch Sloan trousers. And I've been wanting a pair of wide leg trousers to wear with like my slide sandals or with sneakers. I really like how that looks. And we do have a Europe trip coming up for the spring. It's gonna be a very exciting one. We are heading over to Italy, Florence. Just in case you guys have any tips, you can leave them in the comment section. But I feel like the trouser look for Italy is so perfect. I love how it elevates an outfit, but at the same time, you're casual and you're comfortable. So I just went with a simple pair of black ones. They were having like a winter sale, and these were, they're normally 90. I think they were 72, and then I was able to apply like an extra 15% off. So they're still available. I'll link them down below with the code that I used. So hopefully you guys can get them also at a discount. And then last but not least, the item that I am so excited for. I did a poll over on Instagram in regards to this shoe item, so I'm sure you guys kind of more or less can guess what it is, but it is from our dear friends over at Hermes. So I shared with you guys that Hermes Bomb Bomb shared a pair of loafers in like this beautiful kind of canvas and gold leather trim combination. They were beautiful. I was actually able to find a very similar pair from Coach for a more affordable price point also. So I linked those over on Instagram, but I'll leave them linked down below so you guys can check them out, because I do feel like a loafer definitely dresses up an outfit, even if you're wearing shorts. And then I do like the raffia or the canvas sort of combination leading into spring and summer. So when I shared that, I also shared that I had been eyeing this sort of combination as well. And this one comes in all three of the sandals. So here's my receipt, because I went ahead and texted my SA and just had her order it and ship it to me, just because I had a feeling that they weren't gonna have it in store. I have mentioned it before, but my boutique is about an hour away, so I didn't want to drive all the way over there and then them not have it in stores. As I was saying, this combination does come in the Orange, Oasis, and Santorini's. However, I think that this will be the perfect combination for this style of shoe. I'm so excited. And they are, which I actually don't know their name, honestly, so I'll pop it up on the screen. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me bring out the other one. So again, I live in sandals, in slides. I love the Oasis because they definitely elevate a little bit of a casual look with that little heel. But the Santorini's, okay, we just had a little fuzzy. But the Santorini's are honestly some of the most comfortable sandals I own. I have them in the taupe color. This is so cute. I love it. So I have them in the taupe color, and they required absolutely no break-in period, which shocks me because I know how many people hate the Orans and say that they're so uncomfortable. So when I decided that I wanted to add a pair of the Santorini's, I was kind of worried, but I was like, okay, I mean, I have to give them a shot. I really do like, and I've mentioned this before, that the front of the sandal is a little bit rounder, which is what I feel that I don't like about the Orans and how it looks on my foot in particular. I'm super excited with these. I cannot wait to start styling them. I mean, I can start styling spring outfits probably at the end of February around here, so they are definitely going to be making an appearance very soon. I wanted to make sure that I got them already because, as with Hermes, once things are gone, it is impossible to get them, and I didn't want to miss out and then regret it. So I just was trying to decide between these Oasis and these, but then I remembered that I have my Dior raffia slingback with the little kitten heel, so I felt like a flat style would be a little bit better to add to my shoe collection. All right guys, so that does it for this little high-low video, all over the place kind of vlog, as they typically normally are. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have been doing anything fun lately, if you have been adding any pieces into your collection. I need to behave moving forward because, again, as I said, we have a very exciting Europe trip, and you guys know I love shopping in Europe, especially for luxury and designer brands, because we do save a ton of money when shopping abroad. So I definitely want to put some funds aside in order to be able to do that while we're there. And as I said, if you've been to Florence before, let me know any of your tips or anywhere where we should eat or kind of go see, any little hidden gem that you found down in the comment section. As always, I appreciate you guys taking some time out of your day to hang out with me today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.